What is that? Let's find out.
Something's coming! Are you ready?
Stay tuned, it's worth the wait.
Take where you are. Take everything. Take what you.
This is a strategic brand launch with a campaign that is impactful but also realistic in execution. Make sure our proposal aligns with their positioning.
Okay, I'll make sure the client's objectives are clearly translated. Their main focus is awareness, lifestyle appeal, and sustainability.
Considering the target market, a digital-first approach will be effective. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok are ideal for storytelling and engagement.
From a copy perspective, we should keep the message simple and benefit-driven, highlighting plant-based nutrition without sounding too technical. Visually, I suggest clean and fresh look. Natural tones combined with modern typography can help reinforce the healthy image.
I can create visuals that works across social media, digital ads, and promotional materials.
Dear Soyastastic team, thank you for your email. Based on your objectives, we propose a digital-first advertising campaign supported by strong visuals and lifestyle-driven messaging. The campaign will focus on social media platforms to maximize reach among young adults. We believe this approach will effectively introduce Soyastastic to the market.
We need to adjust our approach without losing the campaign impact. Let's focus on efficiency. We can prioritize organic content and collaborate with micro-influencers. This will reduce costs while keeping engagement high.
If we develop strong core messaging, it can be reused across platforms. It means we can minimize production costs. A modular visual concept will allow flexibility without creating too many new assets.
I will design adaptable templates so the visual remain consistent and budget-friendly.
The client is now asking for clear copies and timeline. We need to translate our concept into measurable outcomes.
This is reasonable. A structured timeline will also help build trust. Let's make the campaign more accountable.
We can define KPIs such as reach, engagement rate, and content performance within the first 30 days.
To support that, we can align the copy with specific call to actions, such as try Soyastastic or switch to plant-based. Visually, we can introduce consistent key visual for the first phase to strengthen brand recall.
I can prepare a large kit, templates for posts, stories, and banners so execution stay efficient.
Dear Soyastastic team, thank you for your follow-up. We propose a 30-day phased campaign divided into 3 stages: awareness, engagement, and reinforcement. Key performance indicators will include reach, engagement rate, and content interaction. This structure allows us to monitor performance closely and adjust the strategy when needed.
Differentiation is key. Let's sharpen the brand's unique selling point.
We can emphasize Soyastastic test experience combined with its plant-based benefits, not just health claims. We'll support that with lifestyle visual, showing Soyastastic as part of modern daily routine.
We can also encourage user-generated content to build authenticity and trust.
Dear Soyastastic team, to ensure differentiation, we will focus on Soyastastic's unique combination of taste, lifestyle appeal, and plant-based values. This will be consistently communicated across all content and visuals. We are confident this approach will strengthen Soyastastic's position in the market.